Laura Jackson. I'm a broadcaster and an entrepreneur. Welcome to my house. We are getting ready for some friends that are coming over this evening. Maybe you could spend a day with me and see how I prepare everything. I think I'm gonna make a kind of a festive fig, goat's cheese and onion tart. Okay. This is, oh, don't tell anyone, we're not here, it's fine. This is the sort of thing that I cook at least every other week just because it's so simple. And it looks really homemade, but actually it's very quick and easy to cook. I'm going to chop up my onions and then caramelize them. Usually onions make me cry, but they're not making me cry today. These just must be extra special. I'm gonna put them in a pan with loads of olive oil and loads of butter. I'm gonna salt the butter and the oil. That smells so good. So I'm just gonna leave them for a little bit. I'll chop the figs and the goat's cheese, so that's all ready to go. So I'm gonna cut them in three, and I'm gonna try and leave a little stalk on because I think it looks quite nice for decoration. Okay, right, goat's cheese. Let's cut this into nice big chunks. Score like a little kind of crust all around the edge like this. Okay. So I'm gonna put some cranberry sauce in the middle and then I'm gonna spread it all around. Right, then I'm just gonna spread it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna add my goat's cheese. Then the figs. That's kind of nice as well because it doesn't have to be too neat. Then I'm gonna add loads of black pepper, rosemary. Then we're done. That's easy. Okay, that's in for 20 minutes. I'm always very indecisive about the tablecloths because it really does set the scene. I really like the pinstripes on this and the beautiful brown and navy and kind of quite autumnal colours. So I kind of like this little, doing like a little roll, like a little bandana, and then maybe just putting it on the plate like that. We need some glasses. Let's kind of add some flowers, oh, and some more decorative touches. I feel like it needs a pop of colour, so we can pop that here. Let's put these on the table. I like a bit of symmetry when I'm setting a table, so I'll just put the candles either side. Oh, just in time. The pie is ready. Guys, I'm sorry, but that looks absolutely fabulous. Okay, all I need to do now is get dressed. I love this skirt. I'm such a big fan of anything polka dot, and it's got this like a beautiful overskirt, maybe with this top. I'm all about the details and I love the necklace and the wrist lace on here. That's really nice. That could be very cute. Potentially, we could do this, which is great, little two-piece. I have to say though, I'm very drawn to these kind of small details here on the wrist with the polka dots. So maybe we can do that with some nice kind of slingback kitten heels. I need to get ready. Off you go. I'm ready. All I need now is some guests. I know this is a full black look, but there's lots of colour on the table. And I think that this is all about the details. And then the tulle polka dot skirt. It kind of feels very French with a bit of a, I don't know, a glimmer of Christmas in the air. I'm gonna put the tart on this very big serving platter. And I'm gonna serve it with this really lovely spicy honey. Delish. And an extra sprinkling of salt. And it's ready. My guests are here. That's your cue to leave.